In the profit, loss and discount, the topic is net profit or loss percentage when two changes are made. So to find out the overall profit percentage or overall loss percentage when two changes are made. Okay, this question you observe first. A product worth $3,000 is sold for 10% profit and then 20% loss. First 10% profit they sold and again next 20% loss. So what is the overall profit or loss percentage in the sale? So to do this, we can apply this short trick directly to get net profit or loss percentage plus or minus A plus or minus B. Here is A is the first thing, that means percentage profit or loss in the first case, and next B is percentage profit or loss in the second case. So here is if the substitute plus symbol, okay, if the profit percentage and substitute negative sign for loss percentage, right? So here is a first case, 10% profit, so plus 10 we will take in the place of B, only plus or minus. No, we can next to 20% loss, so we'll keep minus 20. Then we'll find what is the net profit or loss, and if the answer is in negative, so it's a net loss. If the answer is in positive, it's a net profit. So A plus or minus A plus or minus B. So there is a plus 10 minus 20 plus numerator is again plus 10 into, this means close the bracket, minus 20 divided by 100. We can simplify this. 10 minus 20 is minus 10 up to here. 10 into minus 20. Okay, you can cancel this. 0, 0. Multiplication, no? So plus into minus is minus, minus 2. Minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12. So minus 12 means that is a 12% loss. Therefore 12% loss. Overall loss percentage it is. Overall its loss, that is 12%. Okay, to find out the net profit or net loss, we'll apply this formula when it is two changes are made in this concept. Let us see if it is a more than 2. So according to this problem, overall profit or loss means we got the negative, right? So overall loss percentage. If it is more than 2, we'll see now.